Sharif of Sidi Muslim Abdullah Aziz. First of all, I am going to explain the prophecies of Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, which has revealed in Holy Scriptures. In Christianity, the Bible is one of the greatest religious books. In that, prophecies are there. Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the last messenger that mentioned in that the Quran, the means of the Mecca cities, old names, Quran in Hebrew language, in Arabia, the mention as a large prophecies coming in the places, place names, Mecca cities mentioned in the Bible. And another one thing I would like to explain to you, brothers and sisters, so many people are trying organizations level and nations level want to create some peace in the world. But it's not successfully. We are seeing every day is going wars in this world. We have seen in Ukraine and Russia is so wrong without Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's guidance and Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's followers doing something for the good for the society. The Sahaba's followers are doing something for society. So, my dear brothers and sisters, in Torah also mentioned that 200 years before in Arabic language, the Muslimia and Salamaya, the name is mentioned, the Pharaoh, the prophet name is Shuaib al-Islam, the followers of the Shuaib al-Islam, we have seen in the Torah also has them as mentioned as a Salamaya, Muslimaya, and another one thing I would like to explain, Psalm 18 in that also mentioned, Hakku Maqdafam Yafalu Muhammad al-Daharud Salam. So, like this, prophecies are there. So, I had been explaining you that is the prophecies for the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. In India also, we have seen Vedas, Shastras, Puranas, Jagadguru, Kalki Avatar, and Surya Narayana. In Guru Nanak, Baba Guru Nanak, especially in the Sikh culture, also in the Holy Scriptures are mentioned Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is a large prophet, like Kitne Nur Muhammadi Devte Nabi Rasul, Nanak Uddin Sabi Gaya Sabul. In South India also so many sites are studied, like Basveshwar Maharaj also mentioned his Kaligyan, Allah Hidra Prabhu Ilah Muhammad. Kitne La Ilaha se Mani Prabhu said in this मुश्किल को पार करो मुक्तुसारी लेते ही नाम तुम्हारा यीशु बुला रहे मानिक के वाली मजबूर जहाँ की भी सदर है तुम्हारे दिल के. So like to